Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Maritza, for those of you who are new here, and for everyone else, welcome back. Nice to see you guys, and I hope everyone is having a lovely evening. I'm sorry I'm moving my camera, but I feel like I'm leaning towards that way. I haven't been on here, like you guys can see. I'm sick again. I was having bad flare-ups from my arthritis, and my legs and my feet were very swollen, and now I have the flu. Everybody in my house has it, even the baby has it. So I do have a stuffy runny nose, and I do have like a sore throat and cough, just in case you guys see me. I have my pump right here, just in case emergency. But I want to do this video before I run out of space, because my camera doesn't have much space. I should have changed the memory, but I didn't. And so it's about 11 o'clock, and I just put some makeup on. Just slap this little bit of makeup on, no foundation. And wanted to come on here and share my Allure box with you guys. For those of you who are new and don't know what Allure is a beauty subscription, and you pay $15 a month, and you receive 4 to 5 deluxe items, high brand and high end, and sometimes you receive full size. You always get a little book like this, and inside the book it tells you about a little bit about the different products you get. And I will be putting on my glasses. Allure used to come in a different, I believe it was a red box, but now it comes in these plastic little pouches. And I'm just gonna pick up what I see first. And the first item I see, let's look it up in here and tell you a little bit about it, maybe just the retail price. And this is from the brand Benefit, and it's called Their Real Mascara. And it says here, the name is no joke, this is my ultimate. Is she wearing falsies mascara? That's because it gives my lashes a ton of length. And this retail value is for $25. It's just a mascara. We all know what mascaras look like. And I'm not opening it because I have like 6 or 7 mascaras that are already open that I'm actually using. I like to layer my mascaras. And I also have a lot of backups. So that's the first item. The second item I see here is from the brand Erno Laszlo, and this is what the product looks like. Sorry for the glare. And these are some eye serum masks. In addition to making me feel almost preposterously glamorous, Erno Laszlo's under eye mask patches are useful. They contain Allure, a moisturizing agent that offers enough hydration to help plump little lines and soothe delicate under eyes. And this retail value is the full size for $35. That means it should come more than one in the package. I don't think just one is retail $35. And then the next item we see in here is from Primera, and it's this little tiny box, and this is it's a Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream. Korea is known as a hotbed of beauty disruption, not so much as a leader in clean nature source formulas. But wait, on a recent trip to Seoul's Myeongdong shopping district, jammed with every beauty innovation imaginable, I found one store, Primera, filled with plants, and the skincare products inside were clean and infused with nutrients from seeds. And the full size of this retails for $40. And this is what it looks like. But don't let this fool your eyes, because it's just a little, smells fresh. Put a little bit on my hand there. It just smells like it smells like skincare. And it is hydrating. You can see there and there. My skin is very dry, and I have a lot of age spots. And as you can see, this one is really red because this one itches a lot, and I scratch it a lot. So, sorry about that. I had to sniff. Okay, and the next product that I'm gonna go to is from Cargo Cosmetics, and it says here, I've never been to Sedona, but Cargo's lipsticks of the same name shown here is making me want to book a ticket to Arizona. That's what the person wrote here, and it says that the retail value for this is $22, and you'll get one of 11 shades in your box. And I received mine in the shade Paris. And this is the packaging. Just silver packaging. And this is what the color looks like. Very pretty. Ooh, it's very red for me. I shouldn't have swiped that. It's very pretty, but it's very red. Okay, and the next item we're going to is from the brand recieve. We've been getting a lot of recieve, and this is the glittering liquid bronze eyeshadow. Has a glossy wet finish, very sexy and glam, and it goes on sheer but is buildable. Okay, and the retail value for this is what the packaging looks like, is $22. It has no smell to it. This looks like kind of crooked. And there it goes. It's pretty. I love these. But this is, I have like a topper. I have an orange lipstick, and then in the middle I have a glittery topper. And then the next product we see here is from the brand Makeup Eraser, and I've been wanting to try this for the longest because I've heard that these are good, but you have to wash them before you use them. You throw it in the washing machine, you wash it, and then you could just, when you're gonna wipe off your makeup, you just wet it and with just water, and it takes off your makeup. And I go through a lot of wipes because I use a lot of bold colors, so sometimes I go through a lot of wipes. So I'm happy I got this, and I'm excited to use it. And it's just a cloth, and it's this big, and it's nice and soft. It's nice and soft. And it says, I got this soft swatch of cloth as a stocking stuffer last year, and I've been obsessed ever since. It's so trippy. You just wet the fabric and it takes off an entire face of makeup with a few passes over your skin. It even gets rid of waterproof mascara in 2 to 3 swipes. And this retail value is for $12. And last but not least, from the brand Nuria, it's a Nuria Defend Triple Action Eye Cream. This eye cream has an unusual and very useful applicator. The plastic disc prevents you from pressing too hard. And this is full size, and it retail values for $40. Oh, almost broke my nail. And this is what the product looks like. There goes the applicator. Weird looking Let's put it on like this. I don't know if you can see it right there. And let's do a small recap. So we got the eye cream from Nuria, the recieve eyeshadow, the mascara from Benefit, the cargo lipstick, and we got the moisturizing cream. That's 5. I'm missing something, yes. And we received these under eye mask plus the bag. And this is all for $15 a month. I love Allure, and it's the only box I have right now because financially I can't afford no other box. I would love to, but I can't. So yes, guys, I'm gonna be having a giveaway within the next 2 weeks. So stay tuned to my videos because I will be uploading a video of my giveaway and the products. There is gonna be eyeshadow palette in there and a couple of other things, but I'm waiting on some items, and I'll be doing an appreciation giveaway for 100 subscribers finally, after it took me like forever, but that will be soon. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.